everyone, me TKRTW, and today I'm with Fashion, do the emote. Anyways, we're gonna be doing the tank ace only challenge. We're doing the tank only challenge. It's basically where I can only be tanks. I did this 2 other videos. The last time I did that, I was a fighter only, and then the previous time I was I was a scout. So, you ready to play? Hopefully that means yes. Anyway, they're just gonna go play. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna be a tank only. So we're in the lobby, and here we go. See you when we're in the match. Hey guys, if my controller disconnects mid-battle, I'm sorry. It's just this one isn't made from. This isn't an actual DualShock 4. It's just like a backup one. The actual one will be coming within a month. So yeah, within a month, this problem will be fixed. So yeah, until that, if the controller disconnects mid-battle, I am sorry. Anyways, we're about to enter in here, 15 seconds. Looks like there's only one other player. So how this works is I'm only going to be, so since there's a total of 4 tanks, yeah. And also since it's a weekday and I have school and I'm really busy, I'm going to do 1 game now. Then later on in the day, I'm going to do the 2nd game. As of recording this, I haven't uploaded the Scout Ace yet, so I'm also going to need to upload the videos as well as do some work and stuff. So yeah, that's why I haven't uploaded the Scout Ace video yet. But yeah, before this video comes out, I'll probably have it uploaded already. But yeah. Anyway, so I have to be 2 tanks. So who should I be? I think I should be the Fog Hog. Oh no, not Sniper Prince. Hang on, we need a back out. I chose the wrong vehicle. See you when we're in. Guys, so I chose the wrong vehicle, and besides that lobby only had 1 other person anyway, so it wouldn't be that fun, but we got in a lobby with 6 more people, so 6 other people, so this is pretty good. So yeah, and the last time, you know, I just chose the wrong vehicle. Also, I bought some cheap skins for the 2 vehicles that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, it's gonna be. Okay guys, so it looks like I chose the right vehicles. I did buy them each a sports skin for 500 gold but yes. So anyways, we're gonna be going up against a 72, a 519. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to win this round. As long as we at least win 1, then I'm happy. And yeah, hopefully we can win next time. It looks like we have. Alright. So it looks like we have 2 healers, 2 scouts. No, actually we have all 3 of the scouts. We have some healers. The tanks are me, and yeah. Alright, see you when I'm in the lab. Okay, I'm this big thing. Okay. Alright, let's go guys. Let's go. To go. Alright, we're gonna go on the right lane as usual. I am this big sort of thing, so it's gonna be hard to catch up. But yeah. And they have our turret. Dropship is on. Dropship destroyed. I need some help. Darn. Yeah. I should have never chosen the wrong vehicle. Now we're in a sweat. This isn't good. Oh, he's low. This thing is so slow. Now here. that's not good. Okay. Gonna be the Fog Hawk. These guys are pretty good at the game. So maybe I can just do both rounds now if this round ends real quick. So, let's do both rounds. But we're gonna back out after this round. That's painful.
Under attack. Shotgun storm. Your mushroom tower hall is under attack.
Gotta get the wing somehow. And they got our diamond tower. Nice save. I have the fog should be able to help. Maybe I should have chose fog hog and fortress, so fortress can just take down the towers.
Your mushroom tower hall is under attack.
Guys, back. We're losing because we're going up against better players. Luckily, I'll try my best. So, after I do all these videos using only certain times, so I'm just gonna get better and better. I was gonna make a competitive video, but this game's dead now, so not a lot much I can do. He's probably gonna have his berserker.
Enemy front tower hall is under attack.
Ow.
Rebirth. Enemy front tower hall is under attack.
Alright, oh, we opened their tower? Cool, we should start attacking.
Your mushroom tower
Get the
hall
guy at our
is
mushroom
under attack.
tower.
Your mushroom tower hall is critical. Your mushroom tower hall is critical.
The guy at our mushroom.
Tower is taking damage.
Okay, just get their front tower, okay guys? Just get the front tower. And I'll defend this tower.
Your mushroom tower has been destroyed. Your diamond tower hall
Okay, who
is
cares
under
about
attack.
defense? Just get their front tower.
Your diamond tower hall is under attack.
Right, there's things at the base. Someone get their front tower and someone help defend the base.
Dropship tower core. Your diamond tower core is critical. Dropship respawns.
Right, can someone get the front tower? Like I've been asking for like the past 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're back and we're not in a good state. I told my team to try to attack something. Now Hashi's gonna get the front tower and we're gonna go on defense. So he's on offense and we're gonna be on defense. And I'm gonna have to try to somehow get one. So while the front tower is being destroyed, sort of. Alright guys.
Enemy front tower core is critical.
Destroy the front tower, that's all that matters. Please. Please. No. Alright, someone defend. Get it. Get it. Why are you backing away? Nice. Alright, we just gotta keep defending the space. Alright, someone go on offense and the rest of us will defense. We gotta slowly get this win. Just defend both lanes constantly. Save your alt moves for when they come. Uh-oh. Give this guy a healing clue. Alright, this turret's gonna be healed. Other side, other side. It's fine. I got defense. Alright, 2 go on offense, 2 go on D. Me and Hash will be D. The rest of you guys go on offense. Use final sacrifice. Hurry. Okay, we got it. Okay. I placed a healing boon, so if the turret starts getting attacked, then we'll know. Because then I'll get the healing point. Okay, healing boon broke. Uh-oh! Someone's disabling the turret. Someone is behind the turret and was disabled. It's this guy. Turret's up. Gonna die. Okay. Uh-oh. I need to go the other one. Yes. Okay, keep it up. Keep defending. Keep defending. My controller! No, 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 no! Guys, we're back and it looks like our team is about to lose.
Your base core is critical. Your base core is critical.
Keep defending. Keep defending. Alright guys, we're actually gonna play another round now. And yeah, so after we play one more round, we're gonna end this video. And so next I'm gonna use Fortress and also next I gotta use the Fortress and what other vehicle? Okay, so next I'm gonna be using Fortress and Vampire. So we're just gonna wait a few minutes until those sweaty players get in their game, and then we're gonna start searching up. Trying to search again. So yeah, those guys are pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna try again to another of their lobbies. So yeah, with Hashin again. I'm gonna try to get this win. Alright, See you when we're in the match. Alright guys, we're in the lobby and this time I have to use the vampire and the fortress. So yeah, we're with Pop Your Shadow, OG Ty, Spidey 1421, Benny 506, Feely Rodriguez, GLB Galaxy, and Vivo Player. And the highest, and here's everyone's level ranked highest to lowest. Best Gamer, Q15, Ashton, GLB Galaxy, Vivo Player, Pop Your Show, OG Ty. No, wait, so it goes Best Gamer Q15, Ashton, Vivo Player. No. Best Gamer Q Mars, Ashton, Phil Rodriguez. No, GLB Galaxy, Phil Rodriguez, Vivo, Benny, Spidey, OG Ty, Pop Your Shadow. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna choose my vampire. Ah, dang it, Son stole the fortress. Well, we're gonna play the second game later, guys, because I gotta go work and Son stole the fortress. See you guys later. For 2, guys, so guys, it's the next day. We couldn't get into any lobbies and get the vehicles we want, so we decided to not do it all yesterday. So yeah. So it's day number 2, and we're in the lobby. So yeah, see you when I'm in. We got in our Spidey lobby, but yeah, at least, hopefully we can, if you're seeing this on YouTube, and I was able to get the fortress and the, I even forgot what it was, since I haven't tried since, last time I tried was 12 hours ago. I want the fortress, and the, hang on. Yeah, so I just realized the vehicles I need are the fortress and the vampire. Hopefully we can get them. I gotta click fast. Okay, go. Hang on, guys. Round number 2, or should I say day number 2, of the tank challenge. Also, I still haven't uploaded the Scout challenge as of recording this. So I'm sorry, but I'll try my best. I've just been really busy these past few days of school. And also, finally my gold digit toys arrived, so I had to make a short on that and all of that. But yeah, anyways, here we go. So yeah, I'm gonna have to be the vampire and the fortress. Okay. Give me a second. Alright, buy the boot. Actually, I got this. Let's go. Slow down. Oh no, this thing's gonna be so. The vampire's move is useful once you have the thing. So yeah, once you have Vampire Kiss and Fortress can shred towers and people if they have nowhere to escape, and the vampire just surrounds them. I think they made the vampire less overpowered because it would be able to kill 5 people. It could kill an entire team. But now I think it only can kill 2 people. And this thing is amazing. I also like the grenades. They can heal you and they deal tons of damage. They're called the frag dispenser. They already got hit on our tower. Someone should probably defend the other lane. I'm not gonna make it. Okay. Why are mobs on fire? Oh, if only I had my move. I have my magnet move. I can slow someone down if they get too close to the armor. Darn. This thing doesn't have that much far range shooting. It has a beast-like health. Alright, there's a beast amount of health. But yeah, and I also need some help over here, guys. That'd be much appreciated because this thing does have a lot of health. But yes, haha, and he's dead. Thank you for healing me. Right. That should be enough to escort it for me. Alright, we got their tower first. I don't want to use the fortress on the front tower. I'm not even level 3 yet. Yeah, I don't know why I'm calling it dropship. Why did I call it dropship? Fire just destroys the towers. Well, if you get zapped, it doesn't. Okay, these bots are over generous. Just keep on the fire cut, you can just shred with tank. These two tanks, you can just shred, and I mean shred their health. Watch this. 3, 2. Alright, if he gets any closer to me, his health is just gonna be bamboozled. Get him, Hashashin. Get him, Hashashin.
Your front tower core is under attack. Your front tower core is critical.
Alright guys, the controller disconnected again. In like October 22nd. Yeah, I shredded that guy's health. I'm actually about to level up here, so alright. Flamethrower. Right, I have the fortress mode. I'm gonna shred these guys' towers. Let's see how many times I say shred during this video. Okay. Nah. It's too slow. Okay, I don't want to get the mob. Dude, is this guy just hurrying our mobs up from behind? You're gonna die. I have my fortress. I'm not scared to use it. This guy thinks he's so cool. He's a level 600, I suppose. He's like the only thing that stopped us. Come on, come a little closer next time. We'll see what's gonna happen to you. I'm using my fortress mode on this guy. Okay, got a sport in. Also, try not to be stopped. Shred, 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 shred. Shred it. Oh, what do you want now? I'll block you guys. Can't stop us! And I'm gonna fortress that tower right in front of your face once you get away from it. No, 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 I wouldn't be surprised if he just flew out of anger and just I shredded that entire thing. People are saying, why do I upgrade my secondary move? Well, it's because you use it more.
Your front tower has been destroyed.
But yeah, and as I was saying, you can use it more, which is useful. I actually learned that, actually didn't know that recently, so hey, you learn things as you go. Okay, it's time to give this beast his turn, fair share of getting kills. We have the vampire kiss. I'm 4-0. Which is the second best on our team. And actually tied for the second best. Willow is also 4-0. He's berserking. A scorch. See, look, you know how I learned to score properly? Through these bots. Thank you, Willow. Thank you, man, for teaching me how to score. At first, I thought it was stupid how they got zapped instead of just playing the mobs that come in. Turns out tutorial forgets to say a lot, but come on, someone come. No, I'm not gonna waste my move on a working one that can easily be killed by my grenades. Oh, that was a waste. Oh, is the pros here? Oh, the pros here. You know what I'm gonna say to that? You know what I'm gonna do to your teammate? I'm gonna do this. How do you like that? Yeah, you wanna run away from me now? Why turned your teammate into dust? So I wonder how you think about that. Oh, now you're coming in? Guys, we need some help. Yeah, man, let's just keep healing. Perfect. Eat some of my grenades, bot. You're not calling anything. In fact, I won't even need to because your base is going to be destroyed. Yeah, run away. Before you run away, I'm just going to destroy that base of yours. I think that was a little too toxic there. Well, hey, he was trying to stop me, my team. Yeah, impressive game. We are going up against a level 600 and he was trash, 1-1. It was hard to kill because he just kept boosting away. But yeah, so that's it for the tank only challenge. We lost one yesterday and we won one today. #Ian left. and I will do that to you guys. So anyways, like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw.